Welcome to the Best Practices video collection on fingerprinting using HID scanners and HID applications. This video describes key aspects of the HID Guardian 200 maintenance. Product maintenance should be performed as needed using the supply kit. When it can no longer be cleaned or is visibly worn out or damaged, the removal of the membrane is needed. The use of a non-sharp object, such as a credit card, may be necessary to lift the corner. After removal, the platen glass should be cleaned and dried. Platen glass can be cleaned with an alcohol pad and a microfiber cloth. Remove the bottom sheet. A new silicone membrane should be installed on a clean and dry platen. If air bubbles are present between the membrane and glass, they should be gently pushed out using a microfiber cloth, fanning towards the edges and over the protective sheet. Before fingerprinting on the newly installed silicone membrane, remove the protective sheet using the integrated tabs. Thank you for watching.